I think you knocked my tailgate off.
What is going on? Jack. Jack. Hey.
Hey! Hey, Bill!
What did you do to my parts truck?
I took it to Demolition Derby. Oh, got him. Get him again. Come on, I'm gonna stick my Ford up your muffler. dpatrick Body and Glass won first place, and I gotta have it back Friday. Glass, yeah. Do you think you can paint it white? I think it looks so much better in white.
Of course, yeah.
Okay. Can I borrow the van?
No.
Your car?
No, neither. We gotta try and get this pulled around back.
What?
When you insist on the best, you receive certified, highly skilled technicians, state-of-the-art facility, and equipment with the friendliest staff in the tri-state. That's who we are at dpatrick Body and Glass by the airport. We are here to get your vehicle into factory specifications and back on the road again.
Insist on the best. Insist on dpatrick Body and Glass. Got milk?